Happy 50th anniversary, 4Cs.
Feliz aniversario de 50 años a 4Cs.
4Cs, congratulations on 50 fantastic years. Please add my voice to the many from throughout Sonoma County who deeply appreciate all of your great work.
I am so grateful for the work that you do, 4Cs, for providing childcare solutions for our families who really need assistance.
Thank you for working for 50 years to ensure every child in Sonoma County has the care and early education they need. Investing in childcare lifts women and children out of poverty, ensures fair pay, and family-friendly workplaces.
Childcare for the most underserved in our community is something we've all fought for, should be a basic right. You do it each and every day.
4Cs was very common during the War on Poverty, when it was thought that by setting up community-coordinated childcare groups in a lot of communities, it would increase the supply of childcare, help women get back in the workforce, and break the cycle of poverty.
In 1972, 4Cs was founded by a group of women advocates who realized that our community had a critical need for a child care resource center to assist families with coordination and access to child care, early learning services, particularly while families were at work, going to school, and in the after-school hours.
The resources were not up to the capacity that we needed, ever. We're always catching up. And that was very daunting, to do more with less all the time. But they become a major resource to the entire community, to families, to keeping people working, to keeping children ready for school, and to be advocates among legislators and decision makers to put children first.
The parent is the person who's the first person, and they love their child and they want to do the best they can. This is a family center, and the families are welcome here, and the partnership between families and the providers of childcare is an immensely important relationship.
We hired special needs childcare coordinator because those needs are so unique, and those parents have such a hard time finding childcare.
Our center, through 4C's guidance, offered a wonderful preschool childcare experience for the families that we worked with. To this day, I run into families and children, all grown up, that I've worked with over the years.
I want to be an inventor. A fireman, so I can save people from fires. Police officer. A ballerina.
I was a young mom at 19, and I had to drop out of school to basically help take care of my mom. So that means I had to leave behind college. I didn't have anyone to watch my son. And I got involved with 4C's Parent Leadership Academy. And that gave me the strength to advocate for affordable childcare and how important it is for moms like me who don't have that. They were able to get me on the voucher program, which helped me get my child into a private preschool, which changed my son's life drastically. Thanks to those teachers, they actually paid enough attention to see that there was something going on. We just got the diagnosis that he is autistic and he has ADHD. Before the diagnosis, when he was in preschool, he was angry, aggressive, nonverbal. He was having a really hard time. He's an extremely intelligent child. He's actually able to vocalize his needs, his emotions, and now he is thriving.
I was in a bad situation. There was domestic violence, and I ended up a single mother. And so I had to go down and apply for Cal Fresh and Cal Works, or the program. And as a benefit, they gave me a childcare subsidy voucher for 4Cs. 4Cs was paying for my childcare so that I could actually go to work and go to school. I got to go back to school because of my subsidy that I had. There was no way that I could afford childcare as a single mother in Sonoma County. It was the difference between being able to breathe and know my kids were taken care of as opposed to not. Today, I'm an advocate for childcare, and I have been for many years. I'm a commissioner, a 5th District Commissioner for Linda Hopkins. I'm a 2nd grade teacher at a bilingual school. Because of my subsidy, I was able to get my master's in public administration. And I've also started a nonprofit for at-risk youth called Angel Foundation of Sonoma County. Because of 4Cs and the subsidy that I had, that we need to also put funding into those things so that other people after me, now that I don't need it anymore, other people after me can have the benefit of going to school, working, providing for their families.
I was a 4C student in 1985 at the Cesarini school site. My mother was a housekeeper and needed a safe place for us to be able to stay during the day that she had to work. Today, I'm the Outreach and Event Coordinator for Sonoma Valley Community Health Center, and I'm also an educator at heart.
I had my first connection with 4Cs in 1986 while I was still a farm worker in Hillsborough, California. All of my 5 children went to the programs of 4Cs. I got divorced, so I was a single mom. So it was really helpful for them to provide me with childcare.
4Cs just touches so many families. We are a resource to the community. We are educating our children, and I think we hold at the core that the parents are the child's first teacher. We have this moment in time with that family, whether it's just a one touch or whether we have them for a year or 2 in the preschool program. But it's that opportunity to partner with them, to help them along their way, to give them the tools to be successful in their life.